Hello everyone. So today we are here to discuss about longitudes, like what are longitudes and how to make longitudes. Okay. So before discussing these points, let's make a diagram showing longitudes, and then it will be easy to understand these points. Okay. So for making longitudes, one thing you need to keep in mind, like you have to take a fixed radius. Okay. You can take 3 centimeter or 4 centimeter because as long number you take, as big you take radius, it will be difficult for you only, because as the length of radius or radius of the circle will increase, that much you have to make longitude. Okay, so I'm taking right now just radius of 4 centimeter, so I'll make 8 longitudes. Okay, so I've taken radius 4 centimeter, and this is my circle of 4 centimeter. So okay, this is my 4 centimeter radius. Done. Now wherever you had kept your compass point, from there first make a straight, this was my center, so I'm making a straight line. We have learned this in latitude also. This is known as our equator. Okay, now here, where like this was our point, right, where we had, so from there we'll make one more line. So you can put your protractor here and make mark 90 degree, or you can just make a straight line. This is my straight line, which is dividing our earth into two equal halves. This side is eastern side, this side is western side. So this is known as eastern hemisphere, this all part, and this portion is known as western hemisphere. Okay, my line is not looking too straight, so I'm drawing it again. This is my line, lies at 0 degree, because base we always write 0, and this is eastern hemisphere, this is western hemisphere. Now what we have to do is, since my line was of 4 centimeter, okay, so I'm marking at 1 centimeter, 4 centimeter, second centimeter, third, and fourth. Okay, same way you also put your scale and mark at the difference of all 1 centimeter. Now this is my marking. It shows like on the equator, right? This is equator. On the equator, distance between all the longitude is equal. See? So with this, we are going to make our equator. And so first point is clear. Like on equator, this is a 0 degree equator. Okay. So here, all the difference between all the longitudes are equal. And name of this line is prime meridian. Okay. I'll write here name of this line, if it is possible to. Yes. Name of this line, I'll write outside only. Okay, this name of this line is prime meridian. Prime meridian. Okay, this line. This line is prime meridian, and it is dividing the earth into two equal halves. Okay, eastern hemisphere, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Now let's start making our, so this again you have to make freehand. You use your pencil and join here with North Pole. Okay, try to make it curve. It should be exactly the way we have our curve side of our earth. Okay, see here. Same way, make this side also. It should be done freehand. Okay, freehand. Join till down. So this point is, it's better make half of only. See, we are starting from North Pole, and see here on equator, difference between all the longitudes are equal. Okay, now join till South Pole. So what does it indicating? Like all the longitudes are converging at the poles. Okay, and the difference between a longitude at poles is of course 0, because all are meeting here, right? See here. So difference between all the longitudes on poles, either it is South Pole or North Pole, it's 0, right? Just keep in mind, on equator, you need to mark equal distance. That's what I said before. For making circle, you need to measure. You can take 3 centimeter, it will be easy, or 4 centimeter, okay? And then divide the equator, like mark equator with equal distance, and then freehand make these diagrams, these longitudes. See, our longitudes are done, okay? And this side, I yes, let's color. Okay, so to fill the color, let's take a highlighter. Okay, this whole side, let's take a little, yes. So this whole side is indicating our this side. Okay, we can shade, this whole side is indicating our eastern hemisphere. This all side. Why? Because right side we have got our east. Okay, this whole is our eastern hemisphere, and this side is western hemisphere. Okay, so let's label these. This side is eastern hemisphere. Okay, and here we have got, this is our western hemisphere. Western hemisphere. Okay, this side is hemisphere, this side western hemisphere, and this point we all have discussed before. So this point on the top is 90° north pole, 90 north. Okay, this is north pole, and down this point is 90 south, 90 south, known as south pole. Clear? Now let's move to the point. See, total number of latitudes. Sorry, this is total number of longitudes. This is mistake here. These are total number of longitudes. So total longitudes are 360, huh? Because this side we have got 180 longitudes. Okay, here we have got total longitudes are, this side we have got 180. Okay, 180 longitudes we have in eastern side, and 180 we have in western sides. That's what total number of longitudes are, 180. Clear? Then next is prime meridian. See, prime meridian. This is the line prime meridian. It is dividing the whole earth into 2 equal halves, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Third is distance between all the longitudes on equator is equal. See, remember we marked on equator equal distance, then only we made. Okay, then fourth is the distance between two longitudes. Again, mistake here. Distance between two longitudes, it's longitude. Distance between longitude is the largest. Yeah, here we have got largest, and as we are moving towards the pole, see here, we could see the difference. Yeah, as we are moving towards the pole, difference between two longitude decreasing, and at the poles it's 0°. Why? Because all the meridians are converging at the poles. Yeah, see, decreasing. Done. So that's it for today. If you still have any doubts, you can write in comment box. Thank you so much.